What's up everyone? Jake at Zaks Auto here in Hudson, New Hampshire. Today we have this 2024 Audi RSQ8 in for its first factory scheduled maintenance. Today at 10,000 miles we'll just be doing an oil change with an OEM engine oil filter and factory engine oil. As a part of this service we'll also be doing our multi-point inspection, checking tires, brakes, steering, suspension, also topping off tire pressure, checking the washer fluid, and making sure all the systems on this vehicle are in good shape.
Regular oil changes are critical. Engine oil breaks down over time and loses its ability to properly lubricate and protect internal engine components. Sticking to the correct service interval helps prevent premature wear, costly repairs, and keeps your vehicle performing the way it was designed to. At Zaks Auto, we're a local dealership alternative for Audi, BMW, Mercedes, and all makes and models, providing the same high-quality service, factory-correct fluids, and experienced technicians, often at a lower cost.
If you're due for service or looking for a European specialty shop that you can trust, give us a call or visit zaksauto.com and schedule an appointment today.